Hi, my name is Anne-Helene and I'm an occupational therapist and the owner of Baby Steps. Today, I will take you through the exercises that you can do with your baby when you're taking them to the swim center. I hope you will use the exercises and enjoy. So this exercise is an exercise that is combined with the two previous exercises where we are working with the edge. It's the jump, dive from the edge with the baby. So the baby has been crawling out of the pool. The baby is maybe around 8 to 10 months, maybe older. But the baby is able to crawl and sit on its own and not sit like we are sitting it on the floor, but sit like it can come from a belly lying position or crawling position to a seated position. Because that makes us sure that the baby has enough of stability in their upper body for this exercise. Then we will offer them our thumbs, or we can hold the baby's hands, and they are seated with their feet in the pool, and we are counting 1, 2, 3, dive, and pulling them out into the pool and back up off the surface, telling them how great they were. We can do this a couple of times and then we can add some progression to the exercise. What we will be doing then is having the baby, let the baby crawl up, having the baby seated on the edge. We'll count 1, 2, 3, but instead of pulling them out into the pool, we are offering our hands as support. So we are not holding onto our babies, we're calling onto them and see if they will lean into the water themselves and then get the dive that way. So we have our hands down here, counting 1, 2, 3, dive, call on our babies. Once they lean over and fall into the pool, we grab them, pull them out of the water and cheer on them. Back into the edge, do it again. When we have this one, are in control of this one, then we can add another progression. This time we will do a turn as soon as the baby comes up off the pool, so that they, instead of be facing us, will be facing the edge, which is the nearest edge. So we're introducing the self-preservating exercise of knowing that the closest edge is the one behind us. Having the babies again seated on the edge, counting 1, 2, 3, calling on the baby, down underneath the water, up off the pool, and turn them around so they're facing the edge behind them, which now is in front of them. Swim into the edge, do it again. As soon as we're comfortable with this one, we can add another progression, which will be doing the turn underneath of the water, underneath of the surface. So when we call on our baby, 1, 2, 3, dive, call on them, falling into the pool, grabbing them underneath, turn them around and back up to the edge. So we're combining the dive and the climb and the jump with each other, making an exercise where the baby is actually saving themselves, or knowing that they can jump in on their own, and then they should just turn around and grab the edge behind them and crawl up. That makes it a really good exercise at this time of their lives, when they are 8+ months, to make the foundation for when they become toddlers and are more independent in the water, starts walking around, falling and jumping in the water. This was a short video with a nice exercise that you can use with your baby the next time you're at the swim center. I hope you will enjoy the exercises and good luck. Bye.